as you can see, it's well packed and it looks pretty much new. It's an X display, and I'm going to find the problem and see if I can fix it. It's really nicely packed, all new, so doesn't seem to be they've been used at all. The telescopic or the telescope, the tube, it's got a dent on it, but it's very shiny new. Probably been on the shop floor and people have been just testing it. So there is a problem with it. It doesn't work, it doesn't run. So that's what's been told. I'm going to see what is the issue with this and see if I can fix it. Would it be an easy fix, or we're going to find out after diagnose it and see what actually the issue. It was just said on the listing, not working. It does turn on, the power does come on, but the actual machine doesn't run. So here we go. It is very new. There may be a small scratches here and there, scuff marks, but overall it is an unused item. You can see the there is no dust inside. The cables are all nicely tied. Plug is not undone as well. It's actually a very good condition. The brush is untouched. As I can see, the brush is not being even used. Anyway, let's see what's the problem first. Let's just put this on and see if we can find the issue. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, it's working. There is suction. The motor is working. So let's see the roller. Let's see if that works. So we're gonna have to turn this on, and that's got a red light on. As you can see, it's blinking. There is a red light that's blinking. So that there's a red light that's blinking. Not sure why this is blinking. The arrow. Let's see. Right. So watch this. As I'm going to turn this Hoover on and press the roller brush down, and then you see the roller brush working. But just watch this first. Now the Hoover's on, the brush is not working. Watch this. If I press this, see that? See this? Now watch this again. See that? When I let it go, it goes off. So there's something to do with here. We'll have a look at that. But as you can see, if I press this, you can see the lights are on, and you can see the roller brush is working. So there might be a problem between this bit here, where the connection is not fully being connected for some reason. It's just got a loose connection. When I turn the Hoover on, and if I press that clip here, this roller automatically turns on. So that shows, watch this. So what it is now, this is for safety. If you undo this, the roller should stop for safety protection. Now the problem lies on this small clip, which is a safety pin. So there's something either bothering it to touch the connection for the electric, or possibly there is this plastic was broken, but I can't see any broken here because it's all seems to be in one piece and there is no broken particles here. So that shows that this spring here is having a problem. So it has to go all the way, which will not go all the way because of this is not that long. So there's nothing broken from here. So I believe that this connection here is a problem. So right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to unscrew these screws here and see if I can get inside. Possibly there is 2 screws inside there. I have to take these wheels out and do this off the camera. Anyway, let's pop these 2 out from here. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a new style screwdriver and just pop these 2 small wheels. And there is a 2 screws inside there. Hopefully this should just pop out from the top side. Let's see. Electric connector. Just going to take this off for now. So as the connector here, when I press this, there's an electric connector, a steel plate which actually connects to say the cover is on and is good to go, but it's not connecting until I press it very hard. So this piece is slightly loose. What we're going to do, we're going to unscrew that and get this piece out. Anyway, that's the switch. As you can see, when you press, because most possibly the arm, this one here is slightly short, so it's not the other plastic cover is not catching it properly. So what we can do, and this is, see, there's a click. So when you press that, that clicks, sends a signal that it's safe to go on the roller. But see, it's possibly slightly short, or the, I'll show you, or the, here, you see that piece, it's not long enough. So this is not long enough, or this is slightly short. So what can we do? There's only 2 ways, there's a few things I can do. Can get that spring to touch this by bending the spring more, so the tension is more on it on a quick press. So if I bend this, possibly, I press this in, that clip comes out. Okay, now I possibly can bend this more so the tension is more on it, and it will just quickly press the click button. Or I have to buy a new switch, obviously, but we're not going to go for that now. We're just going to try to see if we can fix it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend this clip this way, so when this is touched, the click, can you hear it? It does a quick click. As you can see, I've bent the clip slightly so it creates the tension more quicker. I'm going to put this plastic piece on and I'm going to show it to you. See? So I don't have to go all the way. As you can see, just there, and there you go. As you can hear, the click from halfway, and watch this, it's still got room to go again. See? So there you go. So it's always on. It needs to be on all the time until we take the cover off. So there you go, and then there. So it's a very touch. I'll turn it on, and there you go. Right, we're going to put everything back together now. Put a spring in there so it springs back every time we press. As you can hear, the spring is very good now. So we're going to put that screw back on. Don't want it too tight, just tight, so it doesn't make too much loose connection. As I can hear, the click is already very good. These are plastic, so not too over tighten. Now, put this back on, connect it, the power connector, there you go, that's on. We're going to put everything back together and then we're going to test it. I'm going to put a small 2 screws here. Okay. Before we tighten everything, we're going to put the brush, the roller on, and we're going to test it and see if that works. Like this. And put the cover on. That's on. Get the Hoover upright. Connect all the hoses. Okay, I've just temporarily put the plate on, not screwed everything back on. I've put the long hose on. I'm just going to turn it on and just see if the roller works. So if we need anything else, we'll do that. It is working. Lights are on. Before there was no light. It didn't have a light on, but now the lights are on. There is no red light, as you can see. The red light is not there. Can you see? There is no red light in here, so that's normal. If I put this carpet, there's a white light came on, so that means it's working. Now the roller is not working yet. So let's see if the roller works. So there we go. Working. you want to shoot the roller will work on a slow motion. And you can see the roller is spinning, the light is on. Stop, carpet, start. There you go. Right. So that shows it's working, it's good to go now. I'm going to put everything back on, screw this, and then we're going to test it for a Hoover. So basically I'm going to put everything back together now. I'm going to skip all that. It's pretty simple. Now I've just connected the whole thing, and I'm just going to test it now and show you it's all working. As you can see over here, the lights are working, everything is working. So there you go, brush is working. And that's on the slow brush. If I press that, that's on the carpet, the brush will go higher. And you can hear that, as you can see, and it's working. And you can see the brush. And you can see the brush is working, and now it's stopped, and there you go. A quick demonstration that it picks up the crumbles. These are bread crumbles. Let's see if that can work. So that shows this is working nicely. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed me fixing this Hoover. By the way, the Hoover was brand new. It was an X display. I have already mentioned that. Also, I forgot to leave what's the model number. I'll put this on the description. Didn't get a chance to read out the model number, but that's not an issue. Thanks now. Bye.